Thank you for bearing with us. At this time, I would like to invite Arpit from Lab of Future.
All right, very good morning, everyone. I am Arpit, the CEO of Lab of Future. Lab of Future is a space science and technology company for educational programs. So my presentation's topic today is New Age Skills, Preparing for 2040. So my first question to the audience is, why focus on 2040? Anyone? Yes, please. Wonderful, wonderful. Big round of applause for her. Usually as schools and as education ecosystems, we try to balance with the curriculum alignment, whichever framework we are following. But as school leaders, what we need to focus is what is coming up there in 2040 and how does the world look like? Can anyone make some guesses? How does the world look like in 2040? Which is 15 years from now. Some responses randomly from the table. Yes? Very technology driven and AI managing most of the work around. Okay. Lots of jobs will get obsolete. Humans will not be needed. And by 2040, we become from 8.3 billion to 9.7 billion, which means a massacre is expected that time, right? World Economic Forum published a report which says 65% of the jobs will be new, which do not exist today. And I'll prove it. How many of you know managers around you? Please keep raising your hands. I'll keep naming the job roles and you keep raising your hands if you know anyone who's holding that position around you. Okay? Managers. Let's burn some calories. All right. Teachers, lawyers, doctors, AI ethicists, exoterraforming farmers, digital detoxifiers, mental mappers. What has happened all of a sudden? Transition. The 15 years of transition. So for these new job roles, new style of skills are required. And that's what 2040 poses as a big challenge as well as opportunity. So 75% of the future jobs will require STEM skills. And a little reinvention on these STEM is what we were successfully able to execute. We reinvented this STEM into streamer, STREAMER, wherein science, technology, research, engineering, arts, mathematics, entrepreneurship, and resilience together has to play a role, because students of tomorrow, only they will succeed who can create, connect, and collaborate across disciplines. Critical thinking and problem solving, wherein as schools, we don't need to teach them what to think anymore, but how to think is more important. How to create is another important aspect, and how to fail is the third important aspect of developing in this changing world. On data science and AI, today AI is writing codes, AI is designing cities, robots are creating cities, satellites are mapping the whole planet. The world has transitioned. We need to realize it, buy it, and then prepare our students for the next spell of understanding of data science. A third important is coding and computational thinking. As ma'am rightly mentioned, most of the things in future will be powered and backed up by technology. Every technology, hardware and software integration that happens requires coding and computational thinking. Last but most important is applications. So all these new tools, new technologies which are coming up, there is no point just teaching the tech without its real world connect. Because tech will keep on changing, platforms will keep on varying. What is required is a fluency on these platforms, not literacy. Today, very proudly I can mention a 12-year-old at the Lab of Future is coding a CUBE satellite which is doing the weather monitoring analysis. The child may have not just studied perhaps physics, but actually applied it. A child is making, a 15-year-old is working with a company in US making a robotic arm which can do lunar land mining. So they're not just learning the technology, but they're learning the application of mathematics, physics, environmental science, all subjects around. So cross-disciplinary integration becomes extremely important in the coming time. That would be from my side. Thank you so much.